2025 Rs6 on the lift, brand spanking new. Car has almost no miles. He just left the dealer. Pulls up to G exhaust. What does he do? Midsection. We're upgrading the midsection of the exhaust, getting rid of the resonators, popping an X pipe on there. Does have two sets of resonators right here. Another dual in, dual out resonator right there. Pretty common upgrade, especially with these Audis. I think this one does have a V8 twin turbo. I could be mistaken. Could be a 6-cylinder. Might be a V8. We just got a nod. It's a V8. And yeah, badass Audi, completely stock, but we're upgrading it. You guys see it, Rs6 in the back with the flat gray paint job from factory, carbon fiber trim everywhere on this one. Sweet ass ride, you know. Unfortunately, these cars are completely quiet from factory. Does have a little bit of sound, a little bit more than the Ferrari, but you know, you guys see this massive ass muffler in the back. Like, look at this thing, muffler. Big ass midsection right here. I don't know what the hell's going on back here. Another muffler, 3-inch pipe into the back. And we're gonna upgrade the midsection, equalize the flow, pop an X pipe on there, make this thing sound like an actual RS. Audi Rs6 all done. Look at this sick ass wagon. Got the flat black paint job with the black gloss wheels, satin, or whatever the hell finish this is. It's fucking awesome. The paint matches the wheels, fucking perfect. This thing is the wagon edition with the upgraded sound system. Check out these tweeters, boy. Fucking thing is awesome. Carbon fiber everywhere. You got the brown interior with the mata. Sick. Badass Quattro 4-wheel drive wagon, Rs6 V8 twin turbo, brand spanking new. Give me some revs. Hell yeah, boy. That's what it's supposed to sound like from factory, guys. Rs6 mid pipe, resonator deletes, X pipe installed. Now it sounds like what it should sound like from factory. So he's gonna take off, let you guys hear what it sounds like under a load. Let me know what you think. If you got an Rs6, hit us up. We got you on exhaust. We out.